unconditional love I got for you.
Welcome to another video. Alright guys, so this look today is inspired by Brianna Marie. So I saw this look, she posted it maybe like a day ago or a couple hours ago, and I saw it and I just thought that this look was fire. Had to recreate it and I think I did a great job. Yeah, so enjoy the video guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe down below. Yeah, so stay tuned for more videos, and yeah, thank you guys for the support. And I'm almost at, is it 300? I'm almost at 300 subscribers now. So yeah, just continue sharing with your friends, continue to support me. Alright guys, thank you, bye. I'm gonna try to change my brush because this brush is too big for, I mean, it's not looking too bad, but I want a smaller brush. I'm gonna change. I'm liking how this is looking. I'm going to do the other eye off camera and then I will come back with you guys. Alright guys, I'm back. Both eyes done with the brown. It's just the way I do makeup guys. Let me say, there are some persons who can do an entire eye and then just like recreate this on the other eye. I have never tried that before, and not gonna say I'm not going to try it one day, but right now, no, that's not for me at all. Anyway guys, I'm going in now with orange. Kind of blend this out a little bit. So yeah, orange. Oh Jesus, oh Lord. But the orange, let me see, I hope it's not too orange, you know, because the orange, let me see, then you is just Alright, now that I have both colors on, I'm going to go in with a little bit of yellow over the orange. I mean, alright, the difference between how she did it and how I did, she had a lot of lid space. I don't really have a lot of lid space, but I'm going to try to make it work to just have a little bit of yellow peeking through under my brows. yeah, so what happened here, guys, is I don't know where the footage went of me adding the colors, but basically what I did was to add the brown to the outer part of my lid. Then in the middle section I added the yellow, and I just blend straight through. I added the some shimmery kind of cream color to the inner corner. So for persons like me who are not quite there with the wingers yet, you can use tape on your eyes as a guide. I use this sometimes, not all the time, because then again I can't have tape in everything I do. So sometimes I freehand it and it works out, but other times when I know I want it perfect, I try not to leave it up to chance. So here we go. Alright guys, so I'm back, and right now I'm going to go under my eyes with my Pro Primer HD white, so I can get the yellow that she used to pop under my eyes. So here we go. Out. Brush that I used to blend out under my eyes, I'm going to use it to apply the yellow that I did for my transition. Yeah, man. So I'm a two.